The most popular recumbent bike isn't always the best one for you. Everyone assumes the top seller has the best features, but when you actually look closer, some cheaper models outperform the hype. Today, we're cutting through the noise to find the real winners. Product number 1, YPOO Magnetic Bike. Let's start with the YPOO Magnetic Stationary Bike. At $215, it sits right in the budget-friendly range, and what caught my eye was its near-silent operation and app integration. If you want a smooth, quiet ride that won't disturb roommates or family while still giving you interactive workouts, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses industrial-grade bearings and a magnetic resistance system that runs under 25 dB, quieter than a whisper. That means you can pedal at midnight without waking anyone. The YPOO FIT app syncs with Kinemap and Zwift, so you're not stuck with boring preset routines. You get real-time metrics on the LCD screen, plus a tablet mount to follow along with guided rides. With a 330-pound weight capacity and a seat that adjusts for users from 48 to 61, it fits a wide range of body types. And at 400+ sold in the past month, it's clearly resonating with home users. Now, some people complained about the seat being too firm after long sessions. Here's the thing though, it's not designed for marathon rides. If you're doing 30-45-minute cardio sessions, it's perfectly fine. But if you plan on hour-long spin classes daily, you might want to add a cushion. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment or have noise-sensitive neighbors and still want app-connected training. Skip this one if you need ultra-plush seating for extended workouts. For the price, it delivers solid value with smart features most budget bikes don't offer. Product number 2, YYFIT T3-in-1 Folding Bike. Next up, the YYFIT T3-in-1 Folding Stationary Bike. Priced at $253, this one stands out for its versatility and senior-friendly design. If you want a compact bike that doubles as a recumbent and upright machine and folds away when not in use, this is a smart pick. Here's why this matters for you. It has a fully supportive backrest, a seat 15% wider than average at 12.6 inches, and an XXL backrest that adjusts to two heights, 15 or 18.5. That means better lumbar support and less strain during long rides. The luminous digital display is a game changer for low-light environments, and you can angle it for visibility whether you're sitting upright or reclined. With 16 levels of magnetic resistance and a foldable frame that cuts your space usage by 50%, it's ideal for small homes. It supports up to 260 pounds and fits users with legs as short as 26 inches, making it great for shorter individuals or seniors. Now, some people mention the assembly instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing though, they include a step-by-step video, and most users got it together in under an hour. It's not rocket science, just take your time. This is perfect for you if you're short on space or recovering from injury and need back support. Skip this one if you're over 260 pounds or want app connectivity, it doesn't sync with fitness apps. Still, for comfort and flexibility, it's a standout in its price range. Product number 3, SLUNSE Heavy Duty Bike. Now, if the YYFIT's lack of app support bothered you, the SLUNSE Exercise Bike steps in with full Zwift and Kinemap compatibility. At $253, it's the same price but brings heavier-duty construction and smarter tech. Here's why this matters for you. It supports up to 350 pounds thanks to a thickened steel frame and curved rear base that prevents wobbling. The 35-pound flywheel and dual brake knobs give you rock-solid stability, even during intense sprints. The 100-level micro-adjustable magnetic resistance lets you fine-tune your effort from beginner to hill climb levels. Plus, the belt drive keeps noise under 25 dB, so it's still apartment-friendly. The 4-way adjustable seat and 2-way handlebars fit users from 48 to 61, and the LCD tracks time, speed, distance, and calories. Here's the thing though, it's firm for a reason: better posture and less sinking during long rides. If comfort is your top priority, consider a gel cover, but for performance, this setup works. This is perfect for you if you want app-connected training, heavy-duty build quality, and precise resistance control. Skip this one if you're under 48 or need a folding design. For serious home cyclists, this is one of the best balanced options out there. Product number 4, borrowing 5-in-1 foldable. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for small spaces and multi-use workouts. Meet the borrowing 5-in-1 foldable bike at just $177, the most affordable on this list. Here's why this matters for you. It folds down to just 1.8 square feet and includes transport wheels, so you can tuck it under a bed or in a closet. It offers 3 riding positions: upright, recumbent, and folded, plus resistance bands for arm workouts. The 16-level magnetic resistance uses a 6.6-pound flywheel and runs under 20 dB, making it one of the quietest bikes here. It supports up to 350 pounds and fits users from 411 to 66, which is impressive for its size. The console tracks all your basics, and the phone holder lets you stream while you ride. Here's the thing though, they're meant for light toning, not heavy strength training. If you're using them for mobility or rehab, they're perfect. But don't expect gym-level resistance. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget, live in a small apartment, or want a bike that doubles as light strength equipment. Skip this one if you need advanced app features or plan on high-intensity daily training. For versatility and value, it's hard to beat. Product number 5, Schwinn Smart Bike. Finally, if you're willing to spend a bit more for premium build and smart integration, the Schwinn magnetic stationary bike at $342 is the top-tier pick here. Here's why this matters for you. It's built like a tank with a reinforced inverted triangle frame and electrophoretic coating that resists corrosion 3 times better than standard paint. The real win is the seamless app integration with Zwift and Kinemap, giving you immersive rides and global challenges. The 4-way seat and 2-way handlebars fit users from 45 to 61, and the emergency brake stops the flywheel instantly. Plus, it comes 80% pre-assembled and includes a 365-day parts exchange policy. Now, some users said it's overkill for casual riders. But if you just want to pedal while watching TV, you're paying for features you won't use. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, app-connected bike with pro-level features and don't mind the higher price. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't care about virtual rides. For long-term use and performance, it's the best of the bunch. So which recumbent bike should you buy? If you want quiet, app-connected workouts on a budget, go with the YPOO. Need space-saving and back support, YYFITT or BARWING are great. For heavy-duty performance and smart features, SLUNSC and Schwinn lead the pack. Remember, the most expensive isn't always the best. Pick the one that fits your space, goals, and lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.